And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out towards Adams Park to the north there. A lot of sunshine we had today after that cloudy morning, but we are still expecting to see a little bit of the white stuff overnight tonight. Switching gears though, speaking of white stuff, this time ice, I have tickets to give away to the next two upcoming hurricane hockey games, so I'll clear the phone lines, and as soon as the weather's over, you can start calling in. 317-2445. I'm going to step out of frame here for a moment and let you take a little boo at the current conditions. We're at 0, which is still our daytime high. We got there at 2 p.m. this afternoon, so we've just kind of hung in there. -7 degrees was our low, and we hit that at 6 a.m. this morning. Temperatures all over. I mean, we've got some healthy values here. We've got some negative values. You know, it's a bit of a mixed bag, but we are starting to see that cooler air mass start to settle in, and we are expecting to have that until we get into Thursday. Things are really going to start to get on the mild side of the scale. What we're watching right now is a north-south trough that's trying to exit the province. Bit of a squeeze play going on here. That's not really affecting us. That's what gave us the cloud cover today. Had some isolated flurries. We talked about this yesterday. We said it was going to be sort of hit or miss. This is the one coming up from the south that is going to be depositing, it looks like, 2 to 4 centimeters in some areas across the extreme southern portions of the province overnight tonight, and some leftover snow tomorrow morning in some areas, and then clearing out. We're not talking huge accumulations here, but just a reminder that yes, it still is winter, and some of this will be in the form of mixed precipitation as well. So it can start off as some light snow and then turn to some freezing rain as temperatures bob up and down the thermometer. But you can see some of that mixed precipitation specifically in southeastern BC. On this side of the Continental Divide tomorrow, though, by the afternoon hours, we'll be looking at pretty much a sun and cloud mix as we get into the latter part of the afternoon. So it's not going to be here with us that long. Area of high pressure ready to slide in. Weekend's looking really nice. Wait till you see the 5-day forecast. -1 degree in St. John's now, all the way literally from Manitoba all the way through southern Ontario in through the Maritimes and Atlantic Canada. There are either freezing rain, heavy snowfall warnings, snow squall warnings, freezing drizzle, or flurry activity that's expected for all of those areas. Big low pressure center, of course, it's anchored in Atlantic Canada, another one moving across the Great Lakes, and Saskatchewan and Manitoba are going to pick up that trough action as it continues to move eastward. So quite a mixed variety. -12 in Edmonton, on the coast in Vancouver, sun and cloud, mixed sun and cloud in Whitehorse right now, -14 degrees, and some light snowfall happening in Yellowknife at this hour. Regional forecast, East Kootenay, you're looking at 2 to 4 centimeters of snow tonight, -5, but tomorrow cloudy with some sunny breaks and a chance of flurries, 1 degree for a daytime high. Crow's Nest Pass, 2 to 4 centimeters expected tonight as well, -10 for a low, -4 for a high tomorrow. A couple centimeters more in the morning, and then a sun and cloud mix in the afternoon. Medicine Hat, looking at some light snow tonight, -9 for a low, -5 for a high tomorrow, some leftover morning snow, and then by the afternoon, cloudy with some sunny breaks. We're hoping for your area. Lethbridge, we're looking at that light snow activity tonight, -9 for a low tomorrow. Cloudy with a chance of flurries in the morning, then clearing in the afternoon, -5 for a daytime high. There is your 5-day forecast, and we are looking at tomorrow in the morning, that leftover flurry activity, light snow, but then some sunshine breaking through in the afternoon. Area of high pressure moves in for Thursday and Friday, so really nice temperatures. And as we head into the weekend, sun and cloud mix, and things are looking pretty nice as well. So this little reminder that we're still in winter conditions isn't going to be with us all that long. Now, if you're a fan of giving your dog the leftover bones from a cut of meat, any veterinarian will tell you that's a dangerous thing to do. They have all kinds of horror stories on how they can break. There have been dogs that have choked to death on bones. So synthetic bones are the way to go. They're not only safe and won't break apart, but they can actually help with the dental, getting rid of the plaque and everything from your dog's teeth. So win-win situation there. And that's our Focus on Safety tip for this week. Have a good evening, everyone.